In this presentation, we will discuss how to insert a node in an empty list. So let's get started. In the previous presentation, we have learned how to create a node of a doubly linked list. We have created a node inside the main function. For this purpose, I have allocated the memory for this particular struct node, and this is how it looks like. And we have also learned how to replace the prev part, the next part, and the data part. Now, let's create a separate function for adding a node in an empty list. Instead of adding node in the main function, I will tell you how to create a separate function for adding a node in an empty list. And this is how it looks like. We obviously add two libraries, that is stdio.h and stdlib.h. And obviously the struct node has to be declared. Then within this main function, you can see over here that I have declared a head pointer which must contain null initially. So this is how it looks like. And after this, I will simply call add_to_empty function, which will add a node to the empty list. This is as simple as that. To this function, I have passed head as well as the data. This data is 45 in this case. It could be any other value. And this is how add_to_empty function looks like, which receives head as well as data. This head is local to this function and data is also local to this function. Within this function, I have declared a pointer temp, and to this pointer will pass the address of the node. This is the newly created node, and the address of the node has been passed to temp. Using temp, we can replace the prev part by null, the data part by the data which has been received, in this case it is 45, and the next part can also be replaced by null using temp pointer. Finally, we can place the address of this particular node within head as well using temp pointer. And then we can simply return this head back to the main function, which is received by this particular head, which is local to this function. So this null can also be replaced by 1000, which means that this head, which is local to the main function, is also pointing to this particular node. Now, with the help of printf function, we can simply print the data of this particular node. This is the output of this program, which is 45. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.